But we're gonna have to show you guys our room tour tomorrow and a tour of the property because we're just getting here and it's very late.
Yeah.
Saturday.
But I can't wait to open this up.
Whoa, I didn't see that.
Open this up.
But is there much of a view, like a garden view?
A full experience.
What is it? Oh, it's like a little patio. It's really cute. You guys can't see shit because it's dark out here.
Is this a pool?
No, that's a fish pond.
Fish pond.
Oh, this is very cute. This is gonna be very nice for pictures.
We're getting some pictures here.
Yeah, tell Billy we're gonna be BFFs.
Billy, you'll be taking some pictures for us tomorrow, right?
Sure.
I love how down you are for the.
Wait, which one is it?
You know, love that for us.
Again, guys, tomorrow you're gonna get to see that view. A step down, Father.
We want to do some drone stuff tomorrow, okay, Billy?
Yeah, that's where you come to the shower.
Oh.
Okay. Oh, to get the shot right.
Oh,
Okay.
thank you, because sometimes we do believe us to our own devices and we're wondering
How it go? This is very cute, Billy. I love it. And I love the fact that you guys gave us masks. I love that. Yes, they gave us.
Mask and hand sanitizer.
But I love the mask especially because they give you sanitizer but no mask. Aww.
Thank you.
Not the branded water. Y'all bougie. I love it.
They have Ocean Cliff brand water.
Yeah. Okay. It's gorgeous. Very nice. Huh?
I'm
Yeah.
explaining to them why I missed them.
Yeah, we got here late. Ooh. It's gorgeous out here. Very pretty. Hello. Can we sit anywhere or?
You're going to dine?
Yeah. I wish you guys could see the sea right now.
We're going to be diving off tomorrow.
Are you really though?
Yeah.
What? She says she's a diver. She's a diver. She's a track star. I wish you guys could see the property. But it's so dark. But in the daytime, you guys will see. We're literally cliffside right now, but you guys can't see anything.
Yeah.
You can't see the sea. Like even right here.
I should call it vlog.
Period.
Vlogception.
So hey guys, welcome to the vlog. Period.
Welcome to the vlog.
Welcome to the vlog. Bakana is like vlogging over there and we're both like, welcome to the vlog. We're vlogging, you know, each other. But guys, we are currently at Ocean Cliff Hotel And it's basically, you guys are probably like, which hotel that? Yeah, that was my that was my initial thought. No, that was my initial thought.
Actually, you just turned into a whole other person. She was basically talking to herself. You guys are probably like,
what?
Are we talking that? That was after. Okay.
So apparently the hotel that was called the Spa, which is actually a hotel that I wanted to go to, like a couple months ago, like when I was making my Negril list of places to visit. But apparently the Spa hotel has new management, and it's now called Ocean Cliff Hotel. And it's cute. It's just as cute as Spa Hotel used to be. It's beautiful. We can't wait to see it in the morning, because what we've seen so far is splendid. I'm gonna give you guys a room tour tomorrow morning. So, as I said before, so nobody fight me. I'm gonna get a room tour.
Where's my glasses that I just
So Bakana and I were kind of just chilling. I have my vlog to edit for tomorrow. Did you finish editing your vlog? That's a no. So I have my vlog to edit tonight for tomorrow. Today's Thursday, by the way, and we got down today. It's not her with the glasses.
Yeah, this is my backup here. A company had sent this to me a couple years ago, and I still had it. So I'm just grateful that I still had it.
Still have it as your backup.
Because I would have been.
I've always loved circle.
Yeah, I've always loved, even the Ray-Bans, the other one that I lost, they were circle as well, but I look at it more like posh.
Yeah, I realized it was a bit more like, the shape was like a little bit more
and it had the black and then the gold at the bottom. That was the older one. But out with the old and in with the new.
But what was I saying though? We ate dinner at the restaurant on
Blue Mahole.
It's very cute. The food was nice, not bad. Why are you not vlogging?
Because it's becoming 4 minutes, and I know I'm gonna fast forward.
Oh, the
fast
talking
forward a lot. Yeah. So.
But yeah, so we're just gonna chill out for the rest of the night. I'm gonna edit my vlog, finish some work, and and you know, whatever happens. But tomorrow is gonna be the day when you guys get like, you know, we get to experience the place and everything. Oh, and they have robes, guys. You know, once they got robes, it's lit. It's lit. Okay? And the content's gonna be fire because we've already scouted our spots for our pictures. Kana is getting in her robe. Nah, why are we so lit? And we are sober.
We are. I think we're tired.
Yeah.
I think that's
like, we are way too lit, but can you imagine if we weren't, like, if we were actually lit?
That would be embarrassing.
We could have vlogged.
No, should I tell them about my experience?
No. You should not. But the lighting here is pretty good.
Embarrassment. Yeah, it's actually really good.
It's very nice. But
I can't wait to, because I saw the videos that they have on their Instagram, and all of these doors were open.
We're open. It's going to be so nice.
That was open.
Yeah. Like this whole thing can open up and we walk right out to our patio.
Yeah.
And then there's like cute little benches. Y'all gonna see it in the morning.
In the morning.
In the morning, yeah. Period.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Period.
Say that. You know that girl on Instagram? That skinny girl, and she loved the part one and thing there. She model man, and she did the advertisement or the promo thing for Cardi B dancehall party. The model girl, African American girl, but I guess me.
Oh, Nicole Tabo?
Oh. And she's skinny and she's saying yes. And she always
has to talk patois?
Yes.
I don't know who that is. Is that Mackerel?
No, not you. Oh, you know B Simone?
Yeah.
You know B Simone friend, the skinny girl?
No.
I can't get no more. But her friend, she always a point and yes, cut the camera.
Cut the camera.
Cut the camera. It's a DJ.
Oh, I know who you're talking about.
Thank you. She always,
Pretty V.
Yes.
Pretty V.
She always pointing like this.
Yeah.
And
yeah. I know who you're talking about. She's like Pretty V or whatever her name is. Yeah, I know who you're talking about. She never crossed my mind.
Oh, but she one skinny friend.
After you said that, I started putting 2 and 2 together.
Okay. I was like, come on, she always.
Yeah. She's like, you should have said Sharon. She also said Sharon.
Oh, yeah, she does.
Anyways, guys, bye.
Yeah.
Good morning.
But where you just put your stuff?
Hmm?
The stuff and you don't do cursive. You don't even brush too.
Good morning, guys. Just giving y'all a proper intro because so good morning. We're at Ocean Cliff. I know you guys saw all that, you know, before, but we're at Ocean Cliff right now. We're about to go to breakfast. We're kind of late because breakfast ends at 11 and it's like 10:45 right now. So we're headed to the restaurant for breakfast, and our trip is courtesy of Gustazos because Gustazos had a deal for Ocean Cliff, and you know, we hopped on it because, as we told you before, the property changed from the spa to Ocean Cliff, so it's relatively a new hotel. So we're gonna show you guys around, show you guys what the property looks like, the experience and everything, and I'm excited because it's such a beautiful property and I think we'll have a good time. We're staying here for 2 days and 1 night, so yeah. We're gonna do it inside? You want to see inside? Yes. This is where we were last night, where we had dinner, and you guys could really see the place, but you guys can see it now. It was total darkness last night, but it's so pretty. It looks beautiful in the night. And we are cliffside.
Oh yes.
Where you wanna? Inside or outside? Oh, can I get one shaded? We're gonna have breakfast outside. Yes, Makana did some drone footage this morning, and she saw that there was like a little area with a beach. That's exciting. The more shade, the better. This one? Thank you. Okay, no problem. It's so pretty. Good morning. It's so pretty. It's so nice. I just wish you guys could see it at night because it's equally as pretty at night with all the lights and everything. We're at Rhea's showroom. I'm trying to talk to her before the music starts. We're at Rhea's showroom and we're picking out some pieces to shoot at the hotel I was staying at. I picked out like 2 clothing pieces and then like a swimsuit, and then I'm gonna get another swimsuit from her a little later. And y'all already know, if we're in Negril, I have to come to Rhea, period. There's no trip without a showroom visit. And we had to integrate Bacana into the ritual. Yes. We gotta get a Rhea. you want to get this. I really like this print. I kind of wish she had this one in that print, like in the deeper print, but she doesn't, because I would have gotten that swimsuit, but I don't know if I love the yellowy tone of that one. And I don't even think this could fit me, to be honest. This is a small. Wait, no, lie. This is not a small. This is
the one behind it.
Yeah. It's like I don't know what size that is. Yeah, I love that print, but they're all big. But you could ask her if she have. Let me call her, ask her.